into the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a vehicle that blends high-end luxury with powerful performance and cutting-edge technology. Built on a robust platform with signature Brabus engineering, the 2026 model offers a unique experience for those seeking premium motorhome travel. The exterior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is an impressive fusion of aggressive styling and luxury detailing. It features a bold aerodynamic body with carbon fiber accents, LED matrix headlights, and an exclusive Brabus grille design. The overall stance is commanding, with oversized alloy wheels and adaptive suspension, giving the motorhome both road presence and stability. Sleek contours and an extended chassis offer optimal airflow while maximizing interior space. Step inside, and the interior immediately reveals Brabus craftsmanship at its finest. The cabin is adorned with hand-stitched leather, ambient lighting, customizable climate zones, and an expansive living area equipped with smart furniture. A retractable bed, modular kitchen, entertainment system with surround sound, and even a compact workspace make the 2026 Brabus Motorhome ideal for long-distance travel or luxury camping. The panoramic roof and insulated windows offer natural lighting and privacy, turning the vehicle into a mobile luxury suite. Under the hood, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is no slouch. It is powered by a turbocharged V8 engine that delivers over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes on the market. Paired with an advanced 9-speed automatic transmission and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, it offers excellent performance on highways and off-road terrains. The Brabus tuning enhances torque delivery and fuel efficiency, making sure performance doesn't come at the cost of practicality. When it comes to tech, this motorhome is future-ready. It features a full digital cockpit with AI-assisted navigation, voice command control, and wireless connectivity for all passengers. Multiple touchscreen panels allow users to control lighting, climate, and entertainment. Safety is also top-notch with lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and emergency braking all included as standard. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional energy for internal systems, increasing self-sufficiency during off-grid travel. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is designed for luxury enthusiasts who value performance, style, and innovation in a mobile lifestyle. Whether you're on a cross-country journey or a weekend getaway, this motorhome provides the comfort and features of a high-end hotel with the freedom of the open road. Brabus continues to set new benchmarks in the automotive world, and this motorhome is a true testament to their legacy of excellence. The 2026 Rolls Royce limousine motorhome, a true masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and engineering. Rolls Royce continues to set new standards in automotive design, and this limousine motorhome takes their signature opulence to new heights. Combining the elegance of a Rolls Royce limousine with the versatility of a motorhome, this vehicle is a game changer for those who desire the finest in comfort and mobility. The exterior of the 2026 Rolls Royce limousine motorhome is an awe-inspiring sight. With sleek, flowing lines, a stunning two-tone paint job, and the signature Rolls Royce front grille, this vehicle makes an immediate statement. The extended wheelbase adds a sense of grandeur, while the bespoke 22-inch alloy wheels complete the luxurious look. A panoramic glass roof and custom LED lighting ensure that the vehicle is not just functional, but an eye-catching marvel on the road. Additionally, the motorhome's rear features an extended living space, giving it the look of a truly high-end mobile villa. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls Royce limousine motorhome is powered by a refined 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering exceptional power and performance. This engine is paired with Rolls-Royce's advanced 8-speed automatic transmission system, providing smooth, quiet, and responsive driving. Whether on highways or winding roads, the motorhome offers an ultra-smooth ride, thanks to the adaptive air suspension system and state-of-the-art engineering that Rolls Royce is known for. The motorhome also includes all-wheel drive for added stability, ensuring it can tackle a wide variety of terrains with ease. Inside, the 2026 Rolls Royce Limousine motorhome offers unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication, with hand-stitched leather upholstery, polished wood paneling, and plush carpeting. The seats are fully adjustable and can be transformed into a fully reclining position for optimal relaxation. The motorhome also features a fully equipped entertainment system, including a large curved screen, surround sound speakers, and a state-of-the-art climate control system for all-year comfort. The rear living space is where the magic truly happens, with a full kitchen, marble countertops, a luxurious bathroom with a rain shower, and even a private sleeping area that can accommodate multiple guests. For those who love technology, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine motorhome does not disappoint. The vehicle is equipped with the latest in infotainment and connectivity, including an advanced touchscreen system, voice-activated controls, and seamless smartphone integration. You can easily access navigation, media, and vehicle settings from the touchscreen interface, while the advanced sound system ensures a top-notch audio experience throughout the cabin. Safety is a top priority for Rolls-Royce, and this motorhome is equipped with the brand's latest suite of safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, and night vision cameras for enhanced driving safety, ensuring peace of mind for the passengers. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine motorhome is a true symbol of luxury and innovation. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or simply enjoying the view from the backseat, this motorhome offers everything you could possibly need and more. Its combination of refinement, comfort, and versatility makes it a standout in the world of high-end automotive engineering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for more reviews from Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest in automotive news and detailed breakdowns of the most luxurious and innovative vehicles on the market. Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your destination for the most detailed and exciting car reviews, covering everything from luxury sedans to exotic concept vehicles. Today, we explore the jaw-dropping 2026 Ferrari motorhome, a groundbreaking concept that redefines both the luxury automotive and recreational vehicle industries. Ferrari, known globally for its elite sports cars and racing heritage, takes a daring leap into the motorhome segment with this stunning creation that blends speed, design, and ultimate comfort in one mobile masterpiece. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome is not just a mobile home on wheels, it is a statement of innovation and luxury. On the exterior, the design captures Ferrari's iconic language with sleek curves, sharp LED lighting signatures, and a low-slung aerodynamic profile that screams performance even at a standstill. Unlike any other motorhome, this model retains the brand's signature grille and aggressive front fascia, while incorporating extended living space toward the rear. Lightweight carbon fiber materials are used extensively throughout the chassis and body panels to ensure the motorhome maintains optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, this motorhome surprises everyone by offering a hybrid V12 engine, combining raw power with environmental awareness. The performance figures are staggering for a vehicle of this class, with over 950 horsepower, enabling it to go from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. That kind of power is unheard of in the motorhome segment and solidifies Ferrari's commitment to innovation and pushing boundaries. Inside, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome delivers a first-class experience. The cabin is a marvel of Italian craftsmanship, Outfitted with the finest leathers, carbon accents, and a panoramic glass roof that opens up the space. It features a fully integrated smart system controlling lighting, climate, and entertainment. The kitchen area is compact yet fully equipped. The lounge area includes custom recliners, and the rear sleeping quarters rival the comfort of five-star hotels. Advanced soundproofing ensures a quiet and peaceful ride, no matter the engine's roar. Technologically, the Ferrari Motorhome comes loaded with cutting-edge features. It includes a digital dashboard, a holographic navigation system, voice command controls, and even biometric security access. Driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control lane, keeping assist, and collision avoidance are standard, ensuring both safety and ease of operation. The suspension system is adaptive, offering a smooth ride on highways and handling tight turns like a performance coupe. What makes this motorhome stand out isn't just its speed or tech, it's the overall Ferrari DNA embedded in its design, execution, and experience. From its badge to its cockpit, every detail screams exclusivity and performance. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not for everyone, but for those who can appreciate its brilliance. It is a mobile marvel worth experiencing. Armadillo, a revolutionary electric SUV that merges futuristic aesthetics, high-end performance, and intelligent technology into one impressive package. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Armadillo is built to stand out. Its design is a bold step forward for the brand, showcasing smooth aerodynamic curves combined with a distinctive armored shell-inspired body. The front fascia features a seamless LED light bar stretching across the grille, paired with adaptive pixel headlights that adjust dynamically to lighting conditions and driving scenarios. The flush door handles, active aerodynamic components, and self-healing paint are all part of a design language that signals the future of luxury SUV. Powering the Armadillo is a dual electric motor setup capable of delivering 850 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. This setup propels the SUV from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class. The advanced solid-state battery offers a remarkable range of up to 540 miles on a full charge and supports 350 kW ultra-fast charging, allowing for 80% recharge in just 18 minutes. The performance is further enhanced by the latest generation of Mercedes 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and an intelligent air suspension that adapts to road conditions in real time. Inside the Armadillo, luxury and technology coexist effortlessly. The cabin features Mercedes M-Bucks Hyper screen that spans the dashboard with OLED displays for the driver, center, and passenger. All controls are touch, voice, or gesture-based, offering a seamless digital interface. The materials used in the cabin include sustainably sourced leather alternatives, polished wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting that adapts to driving modes and time of day. The rear seats are just as refined as the front, with reclining, ventilation, massage functions, and individual entertainment systems. Safety is at the forefront with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. A suite of sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR provide 360-degree awareness, enabling functions like highway autopilot, intelligent lane changing, and smart parking. Biometric security features such as facial recognition and fingerprint start are standard, ensuring the vehicle remains personalized and secure at all times. Over-the-air updates keep the Armadillo software current, while a connected app allows remote access and diagnostics. Mercedes also adds practical innovations like a modular cargo area, a power tailgate with gesture control, and vehicle-to-grid energy sharing, turning the Armadillo into a mobile power hub when needed. Whether it is daily commuting, cross-country travel, or off-road adventure, The 2026 Armadillo is engineered to handle it all with unmatched sophistication. Revolutionary concept that fuses supercar DNA with the luxurious world of high-end motorhomes. Designed to stand out in both performance and presence, this futuristic vehicle redefines what it means to travel in style. It merges Lamborghini's aggressive design philosophy with premium comfort, making it one of the most talked-about vehicles in the luxury RV segment. From the outside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome commands attention with its sharp aerodynamic lines, Y-shaped LED headlights, and a low-slung profile reminiscent of the brand's sports cars. It features large air intakes for cooling and performance aesthetics, while custom alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, and scissor doors pay homage to the iconic Lamborghini styling. The front fascia carries the brand's bold attitude, while the rear includes sleek taillights and a unique rear spoiler for added flair. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to be powered by a hybrid V8 engine, delivering more than 700 horsepower, ensuring that it performs unlike any other RV on the road. All-wheel drive, advanced suspension tuning, and rear-wheel steering contribute to surprisingly agile handling, allowing this motorhome to perform with confidence across highways and winding roads alike. Despite its size, Lamborghini engineers have focused on keeping the weight balanced and optimizing aerodynamics for maximum efficiency and performance. Inside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome offers a spacious, futuristic cabin that balances performance aesthetics with luxurious functionality. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, fine Italian leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The cockpit includes a race-inspired steering wheel, digital driver display, and touchscreen command center. Ambient lighting and voice-controlled features make it feel like a high-tech sanctuary. Beyond the cockpit, the motorhome transforms into a luxury living space with features such as a full-size lounge, retractable smart TV, gourmet kitchen, premium sleeping quarters, and a spa-like bathroom with advanced climate control. The layout has been meticulously designed to maximize space and comfort without compromising Lamborghini's performance ethos. A deployable rear patio space and integrated solar panel roof enhance its off-grid capabilities. Technology includes an advanced infotainment system with satellite connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in AI for route planning and energy management. Safety is a priority, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking capabilities. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just about travel, it's about making a statement. It combines the thrill of Lamborghini performance with the convenience and luxury of a mobile home, opening a new category in automotive luxury. It's ideal for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing performance, style, or comfort.